Welcome back, guys. A lot of time you did not hear any good news about the one of the great smartphone company Motorola, but now there is some good news for the Motorola phones lover. Moto G8 and G8 Power leaks show what should have already been. The upcoming Moto G8 and G8 Powers maybe come with a 4-camera setup at a time when Motorola was having difficulty keeping up with high-end phones. It made a name for itself with its budget-friendly Moto G and Moto E families. Since then, however, it has found itself struggling again, this time against Chinese OEM who offer phones at the same price point but often with the higher specs. It seems the Motorola may have started sleeping up again, because it is only now that the Moto G8 and Moto G8 Power are being leaked month after the other in the series launched. You'd think that being the base model, the Moto G8 will launch sometime close to the Moto G8 Play and Moto G8 Plus. That was not the case. However, as the latter two were announced back in October last year, it is only now that we are getting word about the Moto G8 and the G8 Power, both of which will be supporting spec that definitely look like they should have launched last year. In this picture, as you can see, the Moto G8 show Viva render from the 91 mobiles set itself apart from the previous G8 phone with its corner punch hole cutout that hides what is expected to be in 8 megapixel cameras. Despite the design on the back, it will only have 3 cameras, including a 16 megapixel main shooter, a 2 megapixel macro camera, and 8 megapixel wide angle camera. There is also a fingerprint scanner. There is hiding behind the Motorola BeatsbyNeVs logo. The Moto G8 Power in this video, as you can see, the picture is almost a dead knocker for the Moto G8 sale for an unspecific 8 megapixel fourth camera. The difference is inside, thanks to a larger 5000 mAh battery compared to the G8 already large 4000 mAh pack. Despite having a smaller 6.36-inch screen, the Moto G8 Power is leaked to be a more pixel density with a 2300 by 1080 resolution versus the Moto G8's 6.39-inch 1560 by 720 display. Both phones, however, will still be running on the same Snapdragon 665 as their older sibling, at testament to the 2019 era. These two might not debut until the MWC 2020 next month in February, but by then they would have probably lost any significance they might have had if they launched a lot earlier. So guys, let me know your thought in the comment section. Are you waiting for the upcoming Moto G8? These two phones, one is the G8 and G8 Power. Let me know your thought in the comment section. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.